Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing a question many Ethem Network miners are asking. Is Ethem Network still legitimate, or has it become a scam? The project promised a DEX listing on April 30th, 2026, followed by a CEX listing on June 30th, 2026. Both dates have now passed, yet neither listing has happened. Let's look at the facts before making any conclusions. The biggest concern right now is not only the missed listing dates, it's also the lack of clear communication. Many users expected an official explanation after the deadlines passed. However, there has been no public announcement explaining the delays through the project's official communication channels that many users rely on. When a crypto project misses important milestones, the development team should normally provide updates explaining why the delay happened, whether the roadmap has changed, what users should expect next. Without that information, it's understandable that community members become worried. But does this automatically mean Ethem Network is a scam? Not necessarily. Many blockchain projects experience delays because of exchange requirements, security audits, legal compliance, funding challenges, or technical issues. However, silence for a long period is a warning sign. Transparency is extremely important in crypto. So should you continue mining? If mining is free and doesn't require you to invest money, some users may decide to keep mining while waiting for official updates. But if the project asks you to buy tokens, pay fees, or invest significant money before delivering on previous promises, you should be very cautious. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. At this stage, there is not enough public evidence to say Ethem Network is definitely a scam. But there are enough unanswered questions that users should remain careful until the team communicates clearly. My advice is simple. Follow only the project's official communication channels. Avoid making investment decisions based on rumors or unofficial social media posts. Watch for any verified announcement about the delayed DEX and CEX listings. If the team eventually provides a clear roadmap and follows through, confidence could improve. If the silence continues, many users may decide it's time to move on. What do you think? Are you still mining Ethem Network, or have you stopped? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.